Are you looking for the best solar pool heaters? In this video we will look at some of the best solar pool heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Smartpool S601P SunHeater Solar Heating System. Smartpool is a reputable brand in the industry, and this product could be the best solar heater for an in-ground pool. The unit features panels made of high-quality polypropylene. The manufacturer selected super materials to maximize the system's durability. If you haven't installed a pool heater before, you won't appreciate the instructions included with this product. They are far from descriptive, so get ready to spend some time figuring out how things work. The good news is that there is mounting flexibility, and you can even place the product on the roof or a fence. Fortunately, it will be worthwhile once you see the performance of this heating system. The product measures 4 by 20 feet and is capable of increasing the temperature for up to 10 degrees. Thanks to that, you can extend the season for weeks, and not only days. The reinforced header promotes durability while the tube-on web design and the internal baffle maximize the unit's performance. The direct flow system proved to be an efficient approach when it comes to increasing the temperature. The product is a bit heavier than similar units, but it compensates that for additional stability and durability. Overall, this heater is a long-term investment that ensures you can continue relaxing in your pool even when the temps drop a bit. Number 2. SunHeater S120U Universal Solar Pool Heater. Who says that a solar in-ground pool heater has to be expensive? SunHeater designed a product suitable for both types of pools, those above and in ground. They did that while keeping the price considerably lower than for similar products, which makes this a budget-friendly deal. The reason why the price tag is lower might be the size of this panel. It only comes with a single 2x20 panel that might not be the best choice for large pools. However, if you have a small pool in your backyard, this heater will do a great job of increasing the temperature. The product is easy to install, and it utilizes the pump already placed on your pool. You can place the heater on different surfaces, such as grass, concrete, or even a fence. The manufacturer pinpoints that the unit features a patented web design. Thanks to that, it collects most of the heat and can increase the temperature for up to 10 degrees. While this might not be the best solar swimming pool heater for large pools out there, it is still a great choice for smaller ones. Number 3. Game SolarPRO Curve Solar Pool Heater. Game designed a durable and versatile solar water heater for a pool. The product is capable of heating both in-ground and above-ground pools and is compatible with Best Ways, Intex, and units made by most other manufacturers. The first thing you notice is that this heater is extremely light since it weighs less than 13 pounds. It features a curved shape that adds to the appearance of your backyard while saving a significant amount of space. The manufacturer used top-quality materials that are capable of withstanding daily exposure to the sun and other environmental factors. The durability is impressive, and the same could be said for the product's performance. It will increase the temperature for up to 10 degrees, and make sure that lower temperatures don't prevent you from spending time in the pool. Number 4. Smartpool S240U Pool Solar Heater. Do you have a square or round pool in your backyard? It doesn't matter because this is the best above-ground solar pool heater for both options. Thanks to the unique design and approach, this product can heat both types of pools well. It will also contribute to the aesthetic appearance. Smartpool took the standard approach of using durable polypropylene to design panels that will raise the temperature. Since there are 2 panels in the box, the total product size is 4x20. You will receive an installation kit with the product. The setting up process includes the filtration system of your pool, which simplifies everything. The fact that the product is lighter than similar units will also make it easier to install. The panels weigh 18 pounds overall, and they are capable of increasing the temp for up to 10 degrees. The performance will depend on the weather conditions, but the heater is capable of doing a decent job. The product is not the most resistant to leaks. Its overall durability could be better, which is why you should pay attention to identify problems as soon as they appear. Despite that, the heater is a smart investment for keeping the fun going when the temperature goes down. Number 5. Smartpool WWS 421p SunHeater Solar Pool Heating System. If you are looking for an affordable above-ground pool solar heater, Smartpool might have the right product for you. This system comes with 80 square feet of solar panels and is ready to heat a large surface. The installation process is not the easiest one out there. It will take some time to set everything up properly. Once you start the system, you will see how efficient it is in heating your pool. It utilizes the standard approach of having a polypropylene heat collector to increase the heat. It depends on the location, but the product can raise the temperature for up to 15 degrees, which is impressive. The only downside is that you can hear a high-pitched whine while it is in operation. The sound won't be annoying after you get used to it. Smartpool offers a 5-year warranty on the heater. The durability is admirable, especially if you consider this item features a real bargain deal. It is an excellent way to extend the summer season and continue enjoying your pool even when the temperatures start going down.